Well, yeah, it really depends on the type of accident. I mean, if we want to start with like an automobile type of injury, in an automobile situation, you have first-party insurance and third-party insurance. First-party insurance really refers to insurance that you own yourself on your car, that you purchase through your own agent. That insurance will typically have some type of medical pay benefit. There's what they call PIP or personal injury protection benefits. Other policies have med pay coverage. But that insurance is designed to cover you for the initial medical expenses that you may incur. It also protects you against claims that might arise from your driving or injuries that you may occur. That's first-party insurance. Third-party insurance is really the insurance that the liable party has in place, that if somebody hurts you as a result of their negligence, it would be their insurance company that would defend and pay your claim. And so there's really the two insurances that we look at, first party and third party. But within those, it's important to understand that there are various coverages that you can buy on your own policy, the first party insurance. In Utah, for example, we have a statute that requires, well, all states have statutes that require minimums, whether it's 25-65. In other states, it's 15 to 30, meaning $15,000 per accident or $30,000 per incident. All of those things are minimums, and for very little money, you can purchase more protection for yourself and those that you may injure. We've seen a lot of folks that have 100, 300, 100 per individual or 300 per incident that have only paid just relatively nothing to get that added to their policy. And so when it comes to insurance, it's important that you don't just ask for the cheapest coverage you can find, but ask your agent, what does this really cover for me? And help them explain, or have them explain to you what situations it wouldn't cover you. And if you have questions or concerns about what they've said or haven't said, feel free to call our office. We'd be happy to explain it to you as well. We see it every day on every claim that we work on. Yeah, underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage is often misunderstood, but it's part of the first-party insurance that you yourself buy on yourself. And what it does is it protects you in the event that you're hit by somebody that's uninsured or underinsured. So, for example, if you're driving down the street and get T-boned, and the person that hit you is uninsured, then your insurance company will step into the shoes of the at-fault driver and work to compensate you for your injuries. The same is true if the person that hit you had inadequate insurance. Say your medical expenses were very high and far exceeded the minimum $25,000 policy that was available, then your uninsured motorist coverage would step in from the liability side and help make up the difference.